guys! Mako here from Mako Times. So today we'll be unboxing this 2 planner from Starbucks. So this is the 2024 planner from Starbucks. So I got this from the Philippines. They don't have this here in the UAE. So I had my friend actually got it there and then send it here over. So thanks to you. So I've been collecting Starbucks planner for a while now since why? Since I was in college, since I was start earning my own money. So last year I got this as well. Now I got the 2 variation. I think there's only 2 variation here. And so let's unbox this. So we have here the box. So I haven't opened it yet. So it's actually bigger. I think it's bigger than the last year's Starbucks planner. So there are the 2 boxes as different design. So this one, as you can see, medyo subtle lang yung design dito sa first box. Pero meron ditong parang mermaid something. And then here on the other side, meron ding mermaid tail over here na golden. And with the, what's this? The Starbucks logo over here. So let's unbox these 2 planners here. Let's start with this one. I think mas gusto ko tong i-unbox muna dahil yung sa design niya. So let's see what's inside. Ayokong i-damage yung pinaka-box itself kasi I'm a collector. I rarely use them. So medyo mahirap siyang buksan. Medyo makapit yung plastic. So let's open this thing. So this is the first variation here. So as you can see, parang embossed din yung mga design dito sa labas, sa front. And also, pero itong logo itself, hindi siya embossed. But the design here, this mermaid tail and the seaweeds, I think, are embossed. So let's open this up. OMG. Oh, okay. So medyo nakabukas na siya. Nakaano na siya. So there's a paper inside, paper plastic, paper cover inside. So this variation is, okay. Let's check on this. So we have here the planner itself, and there's something written here. Inside the box, it says here, every cup is a journey that starts as a gift from the earth to a feeling of warm belongings in a welcoming space, a place where you feel seen, heard, and celebrated. Our work is always evolving and we can't do it alone. Together, we will be able to carry out a shared mission of nurturing the human spirit, one person, one cup, and one neighborhood at a time. Okay, hindi ko alam kung anong ibig sabihin yon para sa planner. Basta yan yung kanilang message out of the box. So, you have the planner here itself. This is, I think it's pink, color pink here. So, let's set this aside before natin buksan. Let's open the other box here. Tsaka i-compare natin yung So, this is the other box. This one is more simpler design. Let's open this up. Ayaw niya. Yung aking knife is not okay. Ayoko kasing ma-damage yung box, guys. So, inadahan-dahan ko lang siya. Okay. Let's do it. One more time. Napaano ng niya. Pagkakaseal niya, napakatindi. And then, I think I'm okay. Okay. Let's open now. Second box here. So we have here Actually, yung unboxing experience niya parang pagbubukas ng iPhone. Yung madali lang siyang bumukas. Okay, so this one is properly sealed. So it has the same message here. Parehas lang sila. And this one is, oh, I like this one better. It's color grayish something with a parang rose gold na pen. So these are the two new planner from Starbucks for 2024. Okay, so let's look what we have here. So I have here the two variation of planner. So I might go here, not into, nakamahilig masyado sa pink, pero I got them both for my collection. So let's start with the pink one first. So we have here the pen. It's a black pen. It's a pen, right? Okay, this one is open. Don't know why. So black pen over here. And then, ito yung parang pinaka-ano niya, oh, galing. Ito yung parang pinaka-sealed niya pag ayaw mo siyang gamitin yung pen itself. So, pag tinanggal mo siya, pwede mo na siyang mabuksan. We're here, so we have the, I don't know what, ruler, something here. There's a ruler inside the paper. It's not a paper, plastic siguro to. Plastic ruler. Okay, what else do we have here? We have this. Parang lalagyan ng cards and everything. Dito rin, parang lalagyan ng something, mga cards here. And the planner itself, hindi pa siya nakakabit. So basically, ikaw pa lang yung magkakabit. So aside from that, we have here, aside from the papers of the planner, we also got these things inside. We have, what is this? It's a postcard. So we have the postcard over here. And another postcard, I think. And another postcard. They have different designs here. And stickers. I think this is pre-cut na. So we have different stickers here. So pwede mong pagandahin yung planner mo. Kasi I'm into, to digital planning. So, meron din akong digital planner sa iPad ko, and then I usually use stickers. They are digital stickers. So, here, pwede mo siyang gamitin. Okay, that's one down. Let's see the other one. So, what else do we have here? Nothing else. So, there's another packet over here. Kung makikita nyo, may packet pa dito. Okay. Let's unbox the other one. So, this one, medyo hindi ko siya, tinatin kung may difference siya dun sa isa. So, this one, ito yung mas gusto ko. Kasi yung color niya, I like this better. Tsaka mas maganda yung design niya dito. Though mas maganda rin naman ang design ng isa, pero mas gusto ko yung texture nitong isa. So, it's same thing. You open it here para mabuksan mo siya. This is a gold, rose gold pen. We have the Starbucks letters here. Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo siya. And then, let's open this up. Same thing. It has a ruler here, pero kulay rose gold din. May lalagyan din siya dito sa gilid. And then, this one, mga card holder. I think it's the same all throughout, nothing different. So basically, the same lang sila ng isa kanina. So this is a really big planner here. As you can see here, this is so big. Kung i-compare mo to sa normal planner, nasa bigger size siya. Pero build quality, it's really thick. And then mukhang matibay naman siya kahit ilagay mo siya sa bag mo, ihagis mo dun. Hindi siya masisira, I think. However, the pens are just a comment here. The pens are just plastic. So I think my experience with the Starbucks pen na kasama sa mga planner nila, hindi siya tumatagal ng isang taon, na uubusan agad siya ng tinta. So this one is more on, I think it plastic din siya, tapos parang may metal plating lang siya or something in color niya. Pero this one looks more more social than the other one, yung black. Ito kasi mas maganda siyang tignan. Now, in terms of what's inside, let's try this one. Kasi basically, they have the same paper lang. This one, the papers, I opened it earlier. Medyo nasa, yung mga papers niya, hindi siya nasa high quality side. Medyo parang mumurahin lang yung papel na kasama niya dito. Okay, look. Pero I like yung accent nila rito sa itong pinaka-railing here. Yung pink, maganda. Gusto ko yung pink nila, yung railing dito sa pink. Ang ganda-ganda niya rito. And then this one, the other side naman, it's color black. As you can see here, it's black. Tsaka ang galing din pala, no? Kasi hindi nila pinagsama tong pink and pink here. Parang ganito. Yan. Ang ginawa nila, nilagay nila tong pink dito sa may gray and then tong black dun sa pink. Which is a good touch. So, if we're going to compare 2003 and 2004 planner, as you can see here, mas malaki talaga yung mas malaki talaga tong 2004 planner sa 2003 planner. As you can see sa box pa lang, sobrang laki na ng difference nila. So, let's compare yung last year. So, this is last year. As you can see, nakabalot pa siya. So, sa pink one, hindi ko rin siya nagamit. Actually, si Mako yung gumamit niya. If we compare that to the newer one, yung mas kakulay niya. Let's go for the pink one. See how big that one is. Ang laki niya. Kaya lang ito, I don't think, may pen din siya nakasama. As maganda nga tong design ng last year. Meron pa siyang pocket. Compare nyo dito sa bago. Wala na siyang parang lalagyan ng something here. Pero, kung compare nyo naman yung laman nila, 2003, 2004, it's bigger. It's really, really big. Mas handy nga lang tong isa. Mas handy. And yung 2003 nila, kasi it's smaller. Everything is small here. However, kung kayo yung tipong malaki ang sulat, I think you go from here. But based on the design, I think mas rigid to, mas tatagal to kasi dito medyo soft yung labas niya. Madaling masisira tong mga design dito. Ito medyo, I think, mas tatagal to rito. So, question is, sulit ba ang pagkuha nitong Starbucks planner? Actually, I think, mas makakuha ka ng mga cheaper planner sa mga stationery shops compared to this. You know, if you're going to, because you're going to get this if you're going to drink coffee from Starbucks, you're going to collect yung mga, I don't know if it's still sticker. How do they collect na, Mako? I have no idea na. So, I've been out of the country for a very long time, out of the Philippines. So, hindi ko na alam. During my time, you collect stickers, parang ganyan. And then, parang you have to have a certain number of cups of coffee para to avail this or to get this one. So basically, according to my brother who actually bought this too, not really bought, but they drink coffee para makuha to, is that they spend almost like 7,000 pesos just to get this two for a planner, just for a planner. So, ano ba, sulit ba or hindi siya sulit? Basically, kung kaya mo naman, kasi you'll have like, they start in November, you don't have to drink coffee naman like isang bagsakang bilihan. So if you love Starbucks and you always buy Starbucks coffee, then paunti-untiin mo siya from November until the end of December. And then I think you will be able to get this one. Para naman sa hindi mahilig sa kape, sa hindi mahilig sa Starbucks coffee, you don't need to buy this. You don't need to spend a lot of money just to get this one. I think like simple notebook or something like that. I only buy this because it's part of my collection. I collect Starbucks planners since I was able to buy Starbucks coffee. Of course, yung bata pa ako, nag-aaral pa ako, hindi pa naman ako makabili ng Starbucks coffee na yan. When I started it, I fell in love with their design. I fell in love with like every year you are expecting something new. Yun yung mga gusto ko sa sa mga collections ko eh. So, I'm a guy who collect things. I have a lot of collection other than this one. So, si Mao, nakakaasar si Mao. Kanina pa siya maingay.
Gastos mo!
Ayun, actually, nagalit nga rin sa akin si Mao nung nalaman niyang 7,000 plus to. Oh my God, that's too much. Pero kung tutusin, kung 7,000, mga 3,000 yung isa, 3,000 plus yung isa. And then, ang mali pa na ginawa ng brother ko kasi is umorder siya ng grande. And sabi ko, ba't grande pa yung order mo? Sana nag-tol-tol ka na lang para mas cheaper yung kalabasan. Kasi kung tol ka lang, it doesn't matter kasi kung anong size ng coffee bibili mo eh. So, yun ang nangyari. Mas napamahal pa siya para sa dalawang ito. But I'm happy with it. I was able to get it. It's been 8 days na actually after the New Year. It's 8 or 9 days na after the New Year. Ang tagal bago ko ito nabuksan. I'm waiting for the right time to open it. I've been busy at work. And then this is the only time I was able to actually unbox this one. And so, thank you sa mga tumulong sa akin para makuha to. Kasi wala to sa UAE. It's only available in the Philippines. I don't know if other country has their own planner, but this one is from the Philippines. Thank you again sa mga tumulong. My brother, my friends in Abu Dhabi. Thank you so much. So, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification button para updated kayo sa mga hanash namin, sa mga something namin ni Mako. So that's it. It's early morning here and it's my day off. I'm gonna do something boring. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.